quick one, there is a site I'm going to show you, and that site is sites for remote jobs. If you are looking for something you can be doing at your spare time and you'll be earning money, I'm going to quickly show you this site. You have to go to your Chrome. Okay, follow me along. I'm just going to explain the steps to you because I already have an account there. So the site is called Scribe America, and it will open. Okay, so you can see it. The first one, it says medical scribe program for doctors, hospitals, and educationals, and the rest of it. That's why I said this remote job will mostly favor medical students and medical practitioners. But if you're not a medical student, you're not a medical practitioner, it doesn't mean you can't participate, because basically what you do here is to just transcribe audios to text. But quick one, make sure that you're not on VPN because it's not country restricted. Okay, just click on remote jobs. When you click on it, it will open this particular area. Follow me along, it's loading. So you can see here remote jobs. So all you have to do is to choose. You can choose a category from here. If you want to be specific on what you want to do here, you can, search for the categories that they have here and other things that they have here, and know the one that best fits what you can do. Okay, so you can see here travel implementation scribe trainer. You can see here this one is part-time. You can see director of business development, remote medical scribe, Texas. You can apply for this one. This one, I can tell you more about this one. This one is where they will give you a text first. The text should be talking about how a patient came with a history and blah 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 blah. You are expected to type 50 words per minute. In a minute, you give them 50 words, and that words, they are already on your screen, they're already on your laptop, like in front of you. It's just to retype or rewrite it with your keyboard. Mind you, copy and paste is not allowed, and you won't even get any option to do copy and paste. Even when you copy, you can't paste. That's the problem. Okay, so they are very strict here. It has to do with you typing. So I think this is a quick bonus for those of you that did tap swap. You must have tapped for a long time, and your hand can get used to keyboard. When you place your hand on keyboard, so here you can choose this one, and you can choose this remote medical scribe and the rest of it. And when you choose it, there is a short video that would guide you on how to register, how to participate in the test examination to qualify for the job. Okay, that's it.